Alright, so we're in Fort Victoria. We got our stuff packed up right here. Okay, you can't see everything. And we're just getting ready to set up our room. Hold on, no, we're just... And we've just arrived. So ignore all the luggages right there. Just pretend that it's not there. And then also up here is the second floor where all the rooms are. Alright. Another washroom. There's my bed. I mean, it's kind of small, but whatever. And then there's my parents' bed. And they get their own TV. Check out this view. And I know I'm afraid of heights, but wow.
We are in the 21st floor.
Yep. Like, can you imagine how this used to be for the Philippine Army? And now it's like this. How crazy. So we're in this restaurant called Manam right now, and we're just ordering some food for lunch. And what I'm gonna get is, all right, let's get this equipment out of here.
We have pork knuckles with sauce. And then, I'm not sure about this, but this is vegetable. They call it gising. So we'll give that a try.
Yeah.
And then we have this kind of soup. We call it sinigang, the baboy. It has vegetable in it.
It's made of pork in tamarind soup.
Nice.
Different kind of vegetables.
I see. And of course, magnificent juice. Forgot what it's called, but you should give it a try. So we are in BGC in Bonifacio Global City, not BBC, BGC. And the mall is just nearby. So Bonifacio Global City is a disputed territory between Makati and Taguig. Back then, it was used as a Filipino and American military base, but now it's actually a complex with all the beautiful buildings right here and the beautiful mall, which you'll see later. So in 3, 2, 1. And we've just arrived. As you can see, I'm just so in love with this place right now. I mean, look how clear the water is, even though I'm not sure how they were able to make the water blue, but still, like, look at that. The infrastructure is pretty much on point. It's beautiful and fun to shop in, and they have these lights down there just to add a bit of spice. Hi! Feels like Italy in the Philippines. On the outside, on the outlet side, it's all restaurants. Nothing much here outside, although lots of food to eat. Juan's Bistro. So yeah, this is more like a food court area. And now, just to show my face a little bit, from my point of view, I just cannot get over how beautiful this is. Makes me feel like I'm in Europe, in Asia. Also, they have these little boats that are ducks or swans or geese, I don't know. And also, as we go inside, I have to put on my mask, by the way, because restrictions are still in place. There is your typical shopping area with, well, movies right here. We just watched Thor, pretty good movie. As you can see, Miniso, DIY hardware, Lazy Boy. Okay, I'm being Captain Obvious at this point, but you get the idea. They have the food court section at the bottom, and then typical shopping mall at the top. Alright, so you guys already know that this is inspired by Venice, like the streets of Venice. Well, I wouldn't really call it street, more like a river. This used to be a base for the Filipino military, but ever since Fidel Ramos's presidency, this has been turned into a tourist attraction, and it has definitely paid off. It is attracting around like 50,000 tourists a day. For those who cannot afford to go to Italy, this is definitely a place for you. Alright, so now we're crossing the bridge right there. Perfect. Wow. This is crazy. We're actually getting a ride like it's Venice. All right, sing for us in Italian.
Okay. Penso con sogno così non ritorni mai più. Mi dipingevo la mania e le facce di blu.
Wow.
Io improvviso venivo dal vento rapito e incominciavo a volare nel cielo infinito. Volare. Oh, cantare. Oh, nel blu, di vento de blu. Felice stare lassù. E volavo, volavo, felice più in alto del sole, ancora più su. Mentre il mondo man piano spariva lontano l'addio.
I don't know what else to say, but that was awesome. We even tipped the guy because of his hard work and dedication. And for the most part, it's free to go here. The only part you have to pay for is when you're going shopping and when you're going for kayaking. Then they got these beautiful umbrellas in the shopping area. Just shining bright. What should I buy? That's the question. It does feel like one of these European churches. Alright guys, so we just went shopping and I just got new shorts right there. Yep. And got a new Adidas sandal right here, which is a tank top basically. And my mom got some new sandals for herself. What's cool too is that you see these locks? They are also popular in Italy, but I think they took them down due to the fact that it was making one of the bridges heavy in Venice. But over here, it just adds to the aesthetic. Appreciate that attention to detail. So that's about it for our Venice trip. I definitely had lots of fun, and if you guys are planning to come here, please invite me because I really want to go here again. Definitely an unforgettable experience.